Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to do a Mexican macaroni salad. These are the ingredients to do the Mexican macaroni salad. I use the short salad macaroni, or if you guys have the elbow one, you can also use the elbow one. You use sour cream, mayonnaise, salt and pepper, cheese, and ham. So what I do is just get a pot of hot water, put water to boil, and when the water is boiling with salt, you add some salt, and the water is boiling with salt, then you add the macaroni in there, and then you just let it until it's cooked, until it's soft. See, it's like very soft now. So I already have it ready. Now I'm going to show you how I prepare my macaroni salad. Make some room here. And of course I have my bowl here. Okay, and cheese. Let me just cut the cheese first. Okay, so you could use any kind of sharp or mild cheddar cheese. I prefer yellow cheese. So what I do is just, cut some pieces off. Maybe not too thick. Cut my ham. Just get regular ham, any kind of ham you like in the store. And then take a spoon. See, now we got the ham and cheese. Now I'm gonna pour some macaroni. And always prefer that your macaroni is cold. And I use the whole bag of macaroni. You can do a whole bag, or you can even do half a bag. Okay, I have sour cream here. And I'm gonna put 1 spoon, 2 spoons. I would say like around, for this amount, I would say almost 2 cups of sour cream. Then there's some mayonnaise and about half a cup of mayonnaise. Okay, put the salt in. Salt, always you do it to taste. All depends how you like it. If you like it salty or not too salty, so. And some pepper, just like a dash or 2. So now what you do is just you mix it. See, that looks like good. Everything looks like it's very coated. The macaroni salad. So always make sure your macaroni is cold. So if you're going to do the salad for dinner time, you could make it in the morning, just the macaroni, put it in the, let it cool down, and then put it in the refrigerator I put it in the refrigerator so it cools down faster. And then you take it out and you prepare it, and this is fast and easy, and it's not too much ingredients that you have to put inside. It's mainly 3, 5 ingredients. plus the salt and pepper. So there you go. This is my macaroni salad. Okay, so now I'm going to taste my macaroni salad just a little bit so I could see. Just see, that's how it comes out. Macaroni salad, Mexican macaroni salad. Just to see. Very good. And salt and pepper is good. So I don't need to add any more salt or pepper, and it came out pretty good. Thank you, and thank you for watching, and please try, if you would like to try my recipe, please send me a message. You tried it and see what you think about it. And please subscribe to my videos and like my videos. Give me a thumbs up, okay, if you like my recipe. Thank you.